What's good, YouTube? As y'all can see, man, we up nice and early today, man. And the reason is, you know, after doing a couple of those test runs yesterday, y'all, the AC stopped working. So the AC started pretty much blowing kind of hot again, and I started sweating. And I don't like sweating, you know, inside of my car if I'm not working out. But yeah, y'all, I had went under the hood and I seen that the AC compressor wasn't turning on no more. So I know that's definitely a problem. The AC compressor not turning on, then the AC is not gonna blow. So I hit the mechanic up, and he was telling me like maybe I have like a small leak from an O-ring or something like that, because other than that, y'all, I replaced everything on the AC. The complete AC is brand new, everything on it. The AC compressor, the hoses, everything is brand new. So we pretty much just gonna drop it off to him, y'all, and you know, he's just gonna check for any leaks, anything, to see what's going on with it. But yeah, I'm just gonna back it up so we could be on our way. So we finally made it here at the shop, man. We gonna let, you know, my guy see what's going on with it, see what's going on with the AC, you know, system compressor, see if it's either like leaking or have a small leak or something like that. Yeah, that's what it is. So it really might just be a straight mount, which are these are your retrofits that you screw right on top of the old fitting, so these things and well, this one does have a fitting. A lot of them have a little. This is the low side. In fact, this is the exact retrofit for my car. You just screw this right on the old hard ball fitting. Can we shout you out? Hey, this is if y'all need any work done, y'all come to my guy, man. Second Shift Performance, bro. If y'all need any work done for any car, he do any car. You know, he's a great mechanic. He do dyno tuning. So this is the guy I come to, because y'all been asking me who I come to for the dyno tuning. This is who I come to, man. Second Shift Performance. If y'all need anything done, this who take care of me. So other than that, y'all, yeah, we gonna go from there. All right, y'all, what's good, man? We back once again to pick up the, you know, my box Chevy or whatever. So we gonna see how cold that AC blowing. Back, Steve. And we just gonna show y'all what. So pretty much today, y'all. It was the seal, I guess, that was bad back here. That was leaking. And you might have come on this side a little bit. It was pretty much the seal, y'all. The little seal behind the housing. One of those seals that was leaking. So it was pretty much leaking out Freon, like very slowly over a period amount of time. And that's what caused the AC to start blowing hot, y'all. So, but now, it's ice cold now, so thanks to my guy Steve right there, you know. If y'all need any work done, man, like I said, Second Shift Performance. Yeah, now it's definitely like, it feels like a refrigerator in here now, y'all. And once again, like I said, man, the tuning was done by, you know, Steve. Hold on, what's that? There we go. Hey, don't call it a lemon, y'all. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, now it's definitely like ice cold now. It's like a refrigerator in here now. I'm not gonna lie, now it's blowing for real now. Like, let's look up the hood again, just to show them that it's not leaking no more. Very small leak, y'all, on that housing coming from that seal back there. Like I said, that what was causing the AC to get a little hot, but now it's blowing very good. It's blowing excellent now. Yeah, it's blowing like immaculate now, y'all. Yeah, it's still blowing great. It's blowing great. Blowing good, right? Yeah, just get me taken off. I guess I'm gonna pull down and get me taken off. Go tell Steve we out of here, man. So yeah, man, like I said, man, it turned out to actually be a, you know, I guess the O-ring seal on the compressor, the housing that was actually bad, which was causing a very small leak. You know, like I said, the last time I did the AC was like 3 months ago. So it was definitely a small leak because it literally happened yesterday, like I told y'all, man, when I was doing a couple of runs and stuff like that, the AC got real hot, you know, and yeah, another thing, I'm definitely going to have to clean it up again, you know. Definitely going to have to, got a rock on my tire. Definitely gonna have to do some cleaning up on her. Yeah, y'all, but other than that, she back to blowing nice and cold again, you know. Feel like, I might need to start wearing the jacket again when I drive it now, you know. I'm not trying to be, But yeah, other than that, y'all, what else other videos y'all want me to drop for y'all just comment, leave a comment for me. And y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. But other than that, y'all, we gonna go from there.